There he is.
Is it time?
Ladies and gentlemen, our buddy Hobie, that's the guy out there in the big Hawaiian shirt there with Emily Dougherty. No, Emily, no drinking, Emily. You're too young. Besides, it doesn't make a good pilot out of you. All right. Oh, no hat either. Can't afford to lose the hat at altitude. All right, we're going to bring him around here. Be gentle with him there, Emily. He's not running on all cylinders.
It's a slinky!
All right, we're about ready to get him in. Go ahead, Hobie, that's your... Toby! Go easy on that airplane. That thing is delicate. Come on. Be respectful. It's not your airplane, dude. Emily. Yes, put him in the parachute, please. Definitely get him in the parachute. No, the other way. The other way, Hobie. Yes, we got to get him in. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for Scott Francis?
Can't hear you yet.
There you go. Knock him down with your applause. Hobie, that parachute's really beating you up, isn't it? All right, Emily, get him in. Oops, look out. Easy does it there, Hobie. We're just trying to make sure you're safe, buddy. We're going to get him in this airplane, and we're going to see what's going on here. Here we go. A little music to get him situated. I hope he does. Yeah. All right, now the trick is to get him into the airplane, get him tied down, and then Emily will take him around the patch, as we call it. That's once around the airport and land. And then we'll continue with the rest of the air show.
He's just getting right now, he's going to have, Emily's going to be fine, so he's going to be all right. We just have to take a little break here and get him satisfied here and get him out of the way.
Yeah, it's going to take a moment or two to get all the belts on him. You know, safety first, everybody. All right, looks like Emily's getting it done there. Emily Dougherty, she will be up here narrating. Paul, put the glass down. Jeez. Yeah, your turn. There we go. join them in the trees. Pull up, Hobie, pull up. Maybe not that far. All right, Hobie. No, pull back, pull back, pull back. Well, I'm not working with a whole lot here either. Hobie, push that over, push it forward. All right, you get this to the left a little bit, bring that way around. Not that far. Hobie, stay away from the trees. No! Hobie, you're not going to more like gentleman aerobatics, and would also be considered the style of aerobatics he would fly as a student learning aerobatics. It happens and get used to the maneuvers, how to use the controls, and all of that fun stuff that goes along with learning aerobatics. By the way, my high school teacher